when you're dealing with a binomial cube, again, if you remember the pattern of coefficients, 1, 3, 3, 1, if you don't remember it, you can create it really quickly by drawing Pascal's triangle. Okay, and then what you do is you take your first term, and beginning on the right or the left-hand side, you're going to take it to your highest power, and then you're going to reduce powers each consecutive term. All the way to the last term, it's a power of 0, so I don't even need to write anything. Okay, do the same thing with your second term. We're going to start this time on the right-hand side. So a negative y, we're going to cube it, square it to the first, and then just fill in your plus signs. Okay, and now we can go through and simplify each of these terms. So when I simplify here, I cube my 2 and cube my x. Here I'm going to square both the 2 and the x. So I get a minus 3 times 4 is 12, x squared y. Here I'm going to square my y, so the negative gets canceled. 3 times 2 is 6, x, and then the y is squared. And then my negative y cubed, the negative cubed is going to stay negative, y cubed. So when I write my answer, again, when I look at the priorities here, every single term is a third degree term. So it just goes alphabetical. All x's, 2 x's and 1 y, 1 x and 2 y's, all 3 y's. So this is the order that you'd write it as well.